Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at the FX Sniper indicator for MT4. Alright, it's an effective trend following tool that makes trading entry and exit points crystal clear. So if you want to trade with precision, this is an indicator that you wouldn't want to miss. Okay, before we jump in, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more powerful forex trading strategies. All right, now let us break down how this indicator works and how you can use it to improve your trades. Okay, I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right away. The FX Sniper indicator. All right, so this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, it is a trend based indicator that helps forex traders identify the current market trend and react quickly when trends shift direction. Okay, as you can see on the chart, it uses color coded signals to display the trend. Okay, when the line is green, it indicates a bullish trend, meaning that it is time to look for buy opportunities. All right. On the other hand, when the line is red, it indicates a bearish trend, meaning that it is time to look for sell opportunities. Okay. So as the market shifts, the color changes automatically, giving traders a visual confirmation of when the trend is changing. Okay, so when a bullish trend is prevailing, you're going to have the line green in color with the candlesticks moving above it. Then when the trend changes to bearish, you're going to have the color of the line change to red with the candlesticks moving below it. Okay, the FX Sniper indicator is versatile and works for different trading styles. Okay, if you are a scalper, you can actually use this indicator on the 5-minute chart and the 15-minute chart for good trade setups. Okay, and when using this indicator on these time frames, you can be able to catch quick intraday trades with reasonable setups. All right, the 1-minute chart is going to be too noisy, but at least the 5-minute chart and even better the 15-minute chart are going to be less noisy but still give you opportunities to scalp the market. All right, if you are a swing trader, on the other hand, you can make use of the 1-hour chart or even the 4-hour time frame to capture larger market moves. Okay, but it depends on your style of trading, right? Because if you are a trader that holds trades for weeks or even months, then you can even try out the daily time frame or the weekly time frame, right? So this flexibility makes it suitable for all kinds of traders, whether you prefer fast-paced action or longer trend-based setups. Okay, now the FX Sniper indicator simplifies trading with clear entry and exit rules. All right, for a buy setup, a buy trade is initiated when the green indicator line appears. When the indicator line appears green, a buy trade is sought after. Then when the green line appears, a sell trade is sought after. So when you enter a buy trade after the line changes to green, ensure that you get a confirmation, okay, that a buy move is about to happen. Look for bullish candlestick patterns. All right, look for bullish candlestick patterns, and then you can set your stop loss below the previous swing low. All right, for example, if you had entered a buy around here, you can set a stop loss below the swing low, and then your take profit can be at resistance zones, or you can wait for when the trend changes to red, when this line changes to red. So this would have been a good place to exit our buy trade when the color changed to red. Okay, then for a sell setup, let the trend be bearish and ensure that the color of the line is red. Okay, so once you enter your sell, after you have your confirmation, ensure that you have your sell confirmation, then enter your sell trade and then set your stop loss above the swing high. All right, and then your take profits, you can take your profit at support zones, or you can wait for the indicator color to change to green. All right, when the color of the indicator changes to green, then you know that a possible buy move could be coming up. Although here we had the indicator briefly change to green, we just had a little pullback, and then we had a continuation, and then we had the color change to green again, and this time around it was a reversal and not a pullback. Okay, but to be on the safer side, when the color just changes to green, you can decide to exit so long as you have a good risk to reward ratio. Okay, if you're risking this to make this, is already a good one. All right, because at this point we were risking somewhere around 69 pips to make around 236 pips, so that's quite a big one, right? The risk to reward ratio is very good in that case. Minimum risk to reward ratio that I recommend is 1:2. Okay, proper risk management is essential for forex traders. All right, so ensure that you always pay attention to your stop loss levels for buy trades. Make sure you set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and then your take profit target should be around 1:2. Okay, 1:2 for your take profit target, your risk to reward ratio. All right, then for your sell trades, your stop loss should be above the previous swing high, and then your target reward also should be at least twice the risk to maximize your potential returns. That's the risk to reward ratio of 1:2. Okay, so this structured approach ensures that traders maintain consistency and avoid emotional trading decisions. Okay, so the FX Sniper indicator for MT4 is a simple yet powerful tool for identifying market trends, spotting high probability entry points, and exiting trades at the right time. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, this tool can enhance your trading strategy and keep you aligned with the major market trends. Okay, if you found this video valuable, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, comment below what is your favorite trend following indicator. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video, and happy trading.